Hello students, in this lecture we will be discuss about nature of physical law. Okay, so let us start now. Nature of physical laws. Physical laws are of four types. First is law of conservation of energy. Second, law of conservation of linear momentum. Third is law of conservation of angular momentum. Fourth, law of conservation of charge. Okay, so first of all we will be talking about law of conservation of energy. Okay, according to this law, energy neither be created and nor be destroyed. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. What it change the forms. Change the forms. Okay, like kinetic energy into potential energy and potential energy into kinetic energy. These are basic change. Loss in kinetic energy equal to gain in potential energy. Loss in kinetic energy is negative kinetic energy and gain in potential energy is positive potential energy. What total potential energy plus kinetic energy remains constant. Okay, this is the law of conservation of energy. एग्जाम्पल इसके क्या रहेंगे? एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट, लाइट. Electrical energy converts into light energy. First is electrical energy converts into light energy. Next example, radio. It means electrical energy converts into sound energy. थर्ड, टीवी. इसमें क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी converts into sound energy and light energy. Sound energy and light energy. And electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Dynamo converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Windmills converts wind energy into electrical energy. These are the law of example of conservation of energy. ओके ये सारे लॉज हैं वो हमारे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी पर बेस्ड है. इसे अच्छे से नोट करिए, फिर थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं. इसके बाद पढ़ेंगे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लीनियर मोमेंटम. सेकेंड इज लॉ ऑफ conservation of linear momentum. According to this law, in the absence of external force, in the absence of external force, the total linear momentum remains constant. The total linear momentum किसी सिस्टम के लिए कांस्टेंट रहेगा. The total linear momentum of a system remains constant. That is, we know that F equal to dp upon dt. This is Newton's second law of motion. In the where p is linear momentum, हमने क्या पढ़ा? In absence of external force, if external force becomes zero, therefore linear momentum is constant. But linear momentum का फॉर्मूला होता है linear momentum p equal to mass into velocity. Okay, so it means net momentum becomes constant. It means net momentum of system is constant. Okay, so let us consider two bodies of masses m1 and m2 moving with initial velocities u1 and u2. Okay, if u1 is greater than u2, therefore total linear momentum before collision m1 u1 plus m2 u2. This is the condition V for collision. V for collision, and this is the condition of during collision. Mass m1 m2, both bodies moving with velocity v, and after collision velocities of these bodies v1 and v2. This is after collision. Therefore total linear momentum after collision m1 v1 plus m2 v2. According to the law of conservation of linear momentum, the total linear momentum of a system of two bodies remains constant. That is, initial total linear momentum m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equal to total linear momentum v for collision m1 v1 plus m2 v2. ये law of conservation of angular momentum. This is n. According to this law, in the absence of external torque, the total angular momentum remains same. In absence of external torque, total momentum means total angular momentum remains constant. Total angular momentum remains constant. Okay, we know that torque tau equal to force F into perpendicular distance R. If external torque becomes 0 means absence, we know that torque equal to dl by dt, where torque is absence means 0, L is constant, where L is angular momentum. L is angular momentum. ओके, इसे आप अच्छे से नोट करिए, फिर बात करते हैं आगे. एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ planetary motion. Let us consider this is sun. A planet revolve around the sun. It means that is law of conservation means body shifts equal area in equal interval of टाइम. मान लीजिए ये प्लैनेट अभी यहाँ पे है, ये टी टाइम में इतना एरिया कवर करता है, ए एरिया. नेक्स्ट टी टाइम में उतना ही एरिया ए कवर करेगा. ये प्लैनेटरी मोशन का सेकंड लॉ बोलता है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, सर्कुलर मोशन. ओके, इसे आप अच्छे से नोट करिए, फिर पढ़ते हैं लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज. Fourth is law of conservation of charge. According to this law, the total charge of a system remains constant. It means charge neither be created and nor be destroyed. Charge neither we created and nor we destroyed. What it simply transfer from one body to another body. What it simply transfer from one body to another body. Okay. Example, like this is a glass rod and rubbed by silk cloth. If this is positively charged and silk cloth is negatively charged. Positively charged means loss of electron, and negatively charged means gain of electrons. What total charge remains constant. Total charge remains constant. ओके, इसमें एक नोट लिखेंगे, चार्ज एसोसिएटेड विद मास. मान लीजिए यहाँ से कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव करते हैं सिल्क क्लॉथ पे, तो उनका कुछ ना कुछ मास तो होगा, तो मास भी मूव करेगा, मास भी ट्रांसफर होगा चार्ज के साथ. इट मीन्स यहाँ पे एक नोट लिखिए, नोट चार्ज एसोसिएटेड with mass of electron (9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kg) and mass of proton 1.6 into 10 to power minus 27 kg. Okay, thanks.